medyo. Let's watch round highlights. Tignan natin kung saan nanggaling yung body shot na yon. Yun. That was a very crafty left uppercut from Jovel Salina. Medyo delayed reaction from Doroño. Ganon din naman yung ibang mga body shots eh. Talagang delayed reaction eh. However, Doroño stayed calm, stayed composed, and he got ang ganda ng bawi na yun. Ang ganda ng bawi ng kaliwa na yun.
Veterano tong mga to. You see what?
Just when you thought, di ba? Just when you thought na lumamang na si Salina dahil naka-knockdown siya sa round na to, here comes Leonardo Doroño, evening out everything.